So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1 3rd horsepower garbage disposal, and this straight out of Ferguson, brand new line cord over to a switch, an outlet that has a countertop switch on it, sink mount switch. So it's running right. We did replace everything for you like we said we would. Back to the existing waste. We took everything apart, the old Calder coupling that was on there, and hose clamps. Put you a brand new adapter on, a brand new P-trap, and then of course a brand new tubular telescoping kit over to the disposal, and then a tailpiece up to the existing nut. So that nut is cracked. You can see the bottom is cracked, but that's okay. The bottom side is about halfway around. You can see, and it's old as the home. You can see the corrosion around the flange and whatnot, but about halfway around you can see that split. That's fine as long as it's holding that in place, which it is. No water leaking out of there, so that's good. Some point I would recommend replacing that. You know, it's just 3 thumb screws, and you take that out of there and replace it. I do see some water on this right there. See that? So I don't know if that's, you know, you can see when you see rust like that, that means water's been coming through. And I do see water on that right now. We could have gotten it on there from a hose or something, but it's not leaking right here, so that's good. Yeah, triple with that. This all comes apart, nut here, nut there, you know, nut down here, and it's just a quick replacement. It's an 1.5 inch tailpiece nut over at Home Depot, $2-3 bucks, whatever. Anyways, hose tied back in from the garbage disposal, discharge hose right here, tied in, that's yours, and brand new flange, brand new putty, brand new mounting system, brand new disposal. So anyways, warranty cards on the counter. You get that going with InSync Aerator. Got a year warranty on that. Outside of that, this installation is done.